to today's tutorial, I'm going to create a 3-column section just for the layout, because then I'll duplicate them, okay? And then I'm gonna insert a picture, okay? I select the image, no case. I'm gonna do this, okay? And now I'm going to put in a text editor, okay? I'm going to put in a little more text. And here I'm going to make a header called plate 1, and I'm going to give it a header 2, okay? So now we come to the column, and we're going to define a background color for it. In my case, I'm going to make it white, okay? And since we are then going to double the columns so that they are not stuck together, we are going to create some margins in the column, and since I don't want it to be so stuck, I am also going to create some fills, for example, of 10. Come on, let's make 15 good. Once we've done this, what we're gonna do is leave, well, we're already in the column. We are going to custom CSS, and here we are going to paste this code, and I will leave it in the description. Okay? We stick it, and it already has an effect on us here. Okay? The only thing we have to do now, here, we have this class defined for the text. We go to the advanced text editor to see the class was that I copied with ttext. Okay, and here we're gonna stick this. Okay, if I update my page now, okay, we would have already created this. The only thing we would have to play with is 2 CSS parameters. Okay, we're going to the custom CSS column. Okay. From this height parameter of the selector, we define the initial height before doing the over. And here in this other one, we define the height of the column when we do the over. We will have to vary this in relation to our content. Because if, for example, I now come here and duplicate the paragraphs or create more text for them, if I come to my page, we will see that when updating the text, it will overflow, okay? See how it doesn't go in. So what we should do here and now is go to the custom CSPC column, and since it overflows us when we do the over, we will have to define the height here. I'm sure that's what I'm going for, okay? This is already a little craftsman's work. I'm gonna put 590, for example. Update, I come here, okay? We check, okay? And now we see that everything fits when we do the over here. The only thing I would not like is, for example, that below, there is not much margin in relation to the margin above. It's okay with the image, because we would go here and modify the initial height of the column. I, for example, am going to give him 315 is still a lot. I'm going to give you 3 and 10. I'm going to 300. Let's see. Okay. 300 convinces me more. Would he hurry up a little? Okay, but hey, for going a little fast, so you can get an idea. So for example, if I needed 3 columns, I would duplicate, then I would delete. The columns I have left over, okay, and here, well, we would only modify the necessary content. We update the images and texts, and in the process, we are going to check the mobile version, okay? Let's see how the overs are played for us, and if we go to the mobile version, we will also see how the overs are played. The elements don't step on us, that's fine, because that's all.